come from California, you come from Kansas too. Some come down from Canada or maybe Timbuktu. Well, some of you have money, more of you have none. But you're all looking for something, every mother's son. Say you're feeling burned out, you could use a little space. Come on in, you restless heart, to the last wild place. Well, some of us are scared to live, some are scared to die. Some of us will tell the truth and more of us will lie. Well, some are born to fool around, some love only one. Some hearts have been broke so bad they cannot trust no one. And you say you're feeling burned out, you could use a little space. Welcome home, you restless heart, to the last wild place. Feel that wind that's softly blowing, the sun that's smiling on your face. That honey wine, it's always flowing here in the last wild place. We're so glad to see you, cousin. Come on, dance, it's no disgrace. Don't look back, it don't mean nothing here in the last wild place. There are those who live for power, those who live for fame, those who love the gold too much, do anything for gain.